checking this out right there in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. And of course, if you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. This is GainX 1200. This had been on uptrend for a while, and I told us in the morning that this is still buying. In short, as it is, it has gotten to this resistance zone and it is still trying to buy more. So this is still very much on uptrend. So congratulations to those that have been following up with these tips. Okay, I believe you guys should have made a lot from here because this is 15 minutes time frame. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. This is GainX 999. This had been on downtrend for a while. Like I said earlier, we have been waiting for this to actually switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, and it has not been able to break out below this support zone. And right now we are having an uptrend signal. So this is going to be more buying than selling. Okay, so we expect more buying than selling right from there. Okay, and of course, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. It had been on downtrend for a while also, but it has gotten to this support region and it has not been able to break out from there. Okay, so if it's not breaking out from there, then it should buy. Okay, so we expect more buying also from here, but if it should come back and break out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. So for now, this is still buying at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together without wasting time. This is Paynex 999. We actually made this market yesterday, but it broke out from the support zone at this point to give us more selling opportunity. And at the moment, it is still selling, except if it's unable to break out below this support zone. That is when it's going to buy. Okay, but for now, it's going to be more of a selling than a buying until it is unable to break out below the next support region. Next asset is going to be FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on uptrend for a while, but right from here, remember I gave us this signal, and this happened to be the entry point, and of course the support zone. First TP achieved, second TP achieved, third TP achieved, and right now it is heading towards the fourth TP. Okay, so this is amazing, and this is still selling as we speak. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly um, go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you can do that on your real account. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.